Well, shit, been a minute. How y'all doing today? Where I'm at, it's quite noise. I've missed you guys. Have you missed me? Hope so. Shit, do I even still know how to do this? It's been a minute, bitch is rusty. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know I am a face that you haven't seen in your subscriptions list in a while. I know it's been a minute. How long has it been? I know I posted a video like 8 months ago, but realistically, I haven't filmed any actual new content for this channel in about 1.5 years, which is fucking crazy. You know, I was never one to really have like a set schedule anyway, but being gone for like 1.5 years is something, sis. Like, and I can't even say like I'm completely upset that I was gone so long, but you know, I miss you guys. So that's why I'm on camera now. I felt like I owed you guys, you know, an explanation as to where I've been, what's been going on. Because as you've probably seen by the title of this video, I actually was seriously considering, you know, quitting YouTube, like cold turkey, deleting the channel and just disappearing and living my life. But I'm like, you know what? No, I genuinely love to create content for YouTube and for you ladies and gents. And you know, I've built a little community, and I felt terrible because I kind of just like up and left and, you know, stopped posting videos, and everybody is sending me emails and DMs like, where are you at? And I'm just like, I'm over it. Like, I'm so tired of YouTube. And there's a couple reasons why I pretty much just up and stopped filming. The main reason being, you know, I just wasn't passionate about it anymore. You know, after being on YouTube for so long and doing the type of videos that I do, you know, I've been fortunate enough to be able to create content that is not the same, but it's in the same realm. But, you know, as with anything, there comes a point where you kind of want to transition and you want to grow into doing something else, but the same thing that got you the subscribers and the views are the same things that kind of like weigh you down. And I felt like I was shackled to this style of video, like doing quick weave tutorials and doing, you know, wig reviews and stuff like that. It was just very stressful. But it felt like that's the only type of content people really wanted to see from me. And I think I accomplished my goal with those videos. I gave you the building blocks to experiment with quick weaves and different styles that you could do with an undercut. But, you know, I wanted to change my own hair. You know, I was behind the scenes trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my own hair because I was growing tired of an undercut. And the way that I do videos is, you know, not only informational for you, but it's kind of like, you know, a creative outlet for me as well. You know, as I had these changes, I made videos to kind of keep up with that. And, you know, by the time I decided I wanted to change my hair completely, you know, the short tapered fro movement had already taken off on YouTube. And I honestly felt like I didn't have anything extra to contribute in that realm. I'm like, I can't teach y'all how to do these short tapered fros when I don't even know how to do my own hair. I did one video when I felt like I had it down pat, but that was it. I'm like, I have nothing new to add to this conversation. Sis is in need of a haircut. That's why she's got this winter hat on right now. As you guys know, like, I do a lot, you know, besides being a former hairstylist, you know, do skincare therapy, love DIY, sewing, all of that stuff. So I wanted to kind of expand my channel into kind of like doing a lifestyle type of situation. Like, I would have some hair videos, but it wouldn't be necessarily centered around hair in general. And I got scared to do it because I felt like nobody would want to see that because I'm primarily a hair channel. So, you know, every so often I would come out with a different style of video just to test the waters to see, you know, how you guys like it. And it didn't really get the response that I was looking for or expecting. I'm like, okay, they really ain't trying to fuck with this other stuff. They just want to see hair. So, you know, I soldiered on doing more and more wig reviews and stuff like that. But like, while I'm proud of every video that is on this channel, my heart wasn't completely in, you know, wig reviews and stuff like that, because everybody and their grandmom does wig reviews on YouTube, and it's so, everybody does it the same way. It's so boring, and like I felt like these videos were boring as well, and it's not something that I could really like get super creative with, because the companies that I work for, they wanted the videos to be a certain way, which stifled my creativity. And when my creativity is stifled, it is not a good look. I was very unhappy. I'm like, you know what? I don't even want to do these wig reviews. I'm like, I don't even have to do these fucking wig reviews. I'm like, so fuck it. Yeah, so I was like, I'm over doing hair reviews. I'm not trying to be like anybody else, and this is not to, you know, talk bad about anybody's hair review videos. It's just not my style. And these companies wanted me to be that type of YouTuber, and I'm like, I'm not that type of YouTuber. So yeah, stop doing that. And plus, like, another reason why I almost quit YouTube, really, there's a lot of personal issues going on. As you guys know, I moved to a new city like 3 years ago. I had a video about it, had an update video, and everything was going great. You know, I finally got settled into my apartment. I started my new job. Maybe 2 months after I started my job, that job got robbed, and I was held up at gunpoint. And that was probably one of the most terrifying things that I've ever went through. Even though it was like 30 seconds to a minute, it felt like forever. And, you know, I just kept going in my mind. I'm like, I could have died. Because my first instinct was to talk back to the robber. I'm like, no. But something said, girl, be quiet. For once in your life, be quiet. I just thought to myself, I'm like, what if he shot me? What if I died? Like, I'm alone in the city. Like, I'm just alone. Like, I felt so alone after that incident. And something that still triggers me to this day. Like, I've, you know, worked through some of the issues. I still suffer a little bit from PTSD from that. But like, I just could not even think about YouTube at that time. And then the worst part is I still had to work at that job for the next year. I was at that job for the next year, and having to close by myself was just terrifying. Like, every night I was just scared that I was going to get robbed again. And I was just like, it was too much. After maybe 2 months after that incident, my father was killed in a drunk driving accident. You know, he was driving with his friend's twin daughters, and some idiot decided they wanted to get behind the wheel drunk. They crashed into my dad's car, killing him and one of the little girls in the car, and that devastated me. So it's not only the loss of, you know, your dad, but someone that you weren't really close with to begin with, and the chance to reconcile with them, possibly getting together, that option was just stripped away from you, was taken away from you. So I felt a lot of guilt about that, and that led me into like this deep depression for the next year, because I was already depressed and scared from that robbery, and then, you know, your father passing, it was just too much to bear for one person. And I really like was going through it. It's not until like the last year and a half, to be completely honest with you, I finally was able to kind of like bounce back from that. And then by then I'm just like, I don't know if I have anything left to give, you know, to YouTube, to you guys. I always try to be positive and happy on this channel, and I'm like, I can't spread positivity and be happy when I'm feeling the exact opposite. So I was just like, you know, forget it. I need to work on myself. I need to work on becoming, you know, happy again, getting to a much healthier, more positive place, and also trying to really revive and, you know, think about why I started YouTube as well. Try to get that passion back, because I've tried to film a lot of videos over the last year and a half, but I could never really finish them. I'm just like, I thought I could do it, but I can't. So I mean, that's pretty much it. I did eventually, backtracking a little bit, the job that I got robbed at, I did eventually leave, and I got a new job working at a furniture home store, which is something that I was super passionate about, because if you don't know already by my background and like my previous videos on how I decorated my apartment, I am very much into interior design. So I really thrived at this job, and I gave it my all. So that took more focus away from YouTube and my own business, to be honest with you. So I was thriving at my job, you know, really, I was happy. Like, I finally found a position that I loved, and YouTube was just pretty much in the background of my mind. So yeah, I mean, I'm sorry to kind of just ramble. Hopefully this makes sense, but that's pretty much why I stopped doing YouTube videos. Like, I was depressed. At first I was depressed. I lost my passion. Like, it wasn't fun anymore. And like I said in the last video, if I ever feel like YouTube feels like a job, if it's not fun, then I can't do it. And it wasn't fun, and it felt like a job. Like, I spent more time negotiating contracts than actually doing fun videos. I'm like, you know what? I can't do this. So I stopped. But, you know, I've been, you know, watching a lot of YouTube videos, really trying to regain that passion to film, to come talk to you guys on camera. And I'm happy to say, you know, it's definitely come back. Like, I finally have a better idea of what I want to do on this channel, how I want to do it going forward. I'm not going to delve too much into it, because I'd rather just show you instead of, you know, I've done that before where I tell you guys what I want to do and I never follow through with it. I just want to, you know, do it, and if you guys respond to it, awesome. So I say all of that to say that, you know, I'm so thankful for you guys. Even though I haven't done any videos, you guys still check on me. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Y'all leave me, you know, beautiful notes and emails, which I'm very appreciative of. But if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm just saying, why aren't you? You should be. I'll leave my handle right here. Come follow your girl. You know, I think I post nice content on there. You know, I'm not a full-blown Instagram influencer, but, you know, I make it do what it do, baby. I make it do what it do. So yes, I'm definitely coming back to YouTube in the new year. I'm filming this on New Year's Eve because I'm not feeling too hot, so I'm staying home today. Be patient with me as I kind of find my voice again here on YouTube. I know most of you know me for hair tutorials and stuff like that, and I'll still have some hair related content coming onto the channel, but it's not going to be as much as it used to be, because that's not where my passion lies anymore. Like, I'll always be super passionate about hair styling, but I'll probably delve into more hair care videos and stuff like that. I don't really know what I'm going to do on the hair front, but you know, going forward, there's going to be a lot more skincare videos, because one thing that will never change about me is I love to educate and inform while still keeping it fun. You know what I'm saying? You know, I like to have fun on this channel, but I kind of want to showcase more of my personality on here too. So you know, I got some fun stuff coming. So you know, thank you guys for letting me vent. I feel so much better now. So like I said before, I will be back in the new year with some new content. Let me know down below what type of content you want to see. Like, is there anything, you know, skincare related or DIYs? Like, would you want to see something like that? If so, what type? Like, let's start a conversation on like what type of content you would like to see, you know, and I'll definitely be more active on my channel. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I know this video is like really just like me rambling, but I hope you guys got the gist of it. You know, if you're not subscribed to me already, I mean, you really should be though, but I'll let it slide for now. Okay. All right, sis. I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure I'm still out here looking good. You still look good, but you still got it. 33, where? Where, bitch? Where?